aviation instruction mechanic. I work on all the flight services of the F-18 aircraft. Everything that has controllable movements in flight, it's my responsibility to maintain and keep up with those services. Blue Angels started back, they touched me when I was younger. I was involved in an accident. They said that I would probably never be able to walk again. The Blue Angels came in, and it's one of the things that stuck with me during my recovery. Wanted me, to push myself to the limits, adapt and overcome. So started walking again, joined the military, and set my goal on the Blue Angels. It's good to be able to give back to the community, so every chance we get, we try to go give back.
My name is Lieutenant C.J. Simonson. I'm Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo for the 2012 Blue Angels. We're back in Punta Gorda, Florida. Last time we were here was 2009. We're really excited to be back here. It's a great show site. The team couldn't be happier to be back here. The gates open at 9. The show starts at 10 o'clock. Don't come just to see the Blue Angels, however. You're going to get to see civilian performers like Gary Ward. You're going to see the Super Hornet demonstration from VFA 106. And you're also going to get to see Team RV, which is a bunch of general aviation aircraft up there flying. The purpose of the Blue Angels is, the average taxpayer does not get the opportunity to see their men and women in uniform on a daily basis. So what we are able to do is we fly into people's backyards. We show them the teamwork that the Navy and the Marine Corps big team does by the teamwork between the enlisted men and women on the ground and the pilots in the air. What you're going to see when you come to the show is you're going to see 6 jets take off. We're going to get rendezvoused, and we will join up in front of the crowd. We will start the show with a head-on maneuver, and then what you're going to see is alternating diamond and solo maneuvering throughout the entire show. The last 10-15 minutes or so, the 6 of us will get joined back up again, and we'll do what we call delta maneuvering, where you'll see all 6 pilots flying that delta formation. What the solo pilots demonstrate is the max performance of the Boeing FA-18 Hornet, and what we're going to do is we're going to max perform that thing. We're going to be coming fast, low, pulling a bunch of G's. And what the Diamond demonstrates is the precision formation flying that all Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to do. We do exactly what the regular Navy and Marine Corps pilots do off aircraft carriers. The only difference is we've got a nice shiny blue jet. We've got blue flight suits, but the bottom line is we represent 550,000 folks, Marines and sailors out there alike, and on a weekly basis, and I couldn't be prouder to be a part of that.